We have learned from previous episodes that when one's mind is made, it diminishes fear. Knowing what must be done does away with fear. Friends, before knowing about 5-second rule, if we were asked about courage, we would have given a list of history makers. We would not have told it's a word used to describe act of huge bravery. After using the rule, we have learnt its everyday's important certainty. Facing and unlocking the moment of magic, joy, opportunity in a life requires tremendous courage, which we have got from 5-second rule. So, we can achieve anything that we are passionate about and are willing to work for. Learning about 5-second rule is a turning point. We have realized that we are responsible for everything that happened in our life. It's clear that inside every decision there exists 5 seconds of courage that can change everything in our lives. And it's not the big moves that change everything. It's the smallest one in our everyday life. We know we need to be as careful as possible to stay out of trouble. We have experienced the power of push. That's a moment when our instincts, values, and goals align, and we move so quickly we don't have time or a valid reason to stop ourselves. Our heart speaks and we don't think, we listen to what our heart tells us to do. Greatness is not a personality trait. It's inside all of us, and sometimes it's hard for us to see it. We are all more than capable of finding the courage to act out of character when the moment matters. We need to push ourselves as far as we could stand to be pushed. That's what courage is. It's a push. It's the kind of push we give ourselves when we stand up, raise our hands, or go first, and so on. We should not look at our heroes in history and assume that they are different than us. It's not true. Courage is a birthright. It is inside in each and every one of us. We were born with it and we can tap into it anytime we want. It's a matter of knowing how to find it when we need it, and when we need it, we will probably be alone. So, whatever we want to do, only we should do. No one will come to help us. It's going to be just you sitting in a meeting at work, or standing in your kitchen, riding the subway, nor looking at your phone, nor even staring at your computer, or thinking about something, and all of a sudden it will happen. Something will go down and your instinct will come alive. You will have an urge to act. Your values and your instincts will tell you what you should do, and your feelings will scream, no. That is the push moment. You don't have to have all the answer. You just have to make a decision in the next 5 seconds. Some incidents in our life are just like a tip of an iceberg. They highlight the struggle between a desire to change our lives and a fear of it. They also reveal the power that everyday courage has to transform everything. A different part of our brain is activated when we think about what's possible rather than what's required. I believe the same is true when we think about being courageous rather than forcing on the fear that stops us. It's the difference between focusing on the solution rather than the problem, and that tiny switch is mentally liberating. There's something powerful about framing a struggle to get out of a bed, to call a friend, or a sales organization struggling to embrace a higher sales goal, and also for us to exercise every day. That is the courage we need to start. After all, After all, courage is just a push. When you push yourself, you may not change the world, the law, or spark a civil rights movement, but I can guarantee you will change something equally as important. You will change yourself. Thank you.